Okay, I just got something super exciting from AppSumo. Let's unbox Clawdia, an automated legal software for businesses. First impression, the branding feels modern and professional. Let's dive into the dashboard. Everything looks clean and intuitive. No legal jargon overload. It's actually easy to navigate. I'm starting with the contract drafting tool. Let's see. It asks what kind of contract I need. Super straightforward. I pick service agreement for my freelance work. Now it's guiding me step by step. No confusion at all. The AI is personalizing every section for my business. I can edit names, dates, and locations with just clicks. There's even a preview showing changes in real time. I love how it explains legal terms with short videos. No more Googling what indemnity means. Clawdia breaks it down. Next, I try uploading an existing contract for review. Clawdia analyzes it instantly, flagging risky clauses. It suggests edits to make my agreement more secure. I can share contracts directly for e-signature, no extra tools. Tracking signatures and document status is all in one place. All documents are stored securely in the cloud. Access everything from my laptop or phone, super convenient. The platform is genuinely user-friendly for non-lawyers. I'm saving so much time not emailing back and forth. No need to hire a lawyer for every contract anymore. The AI even checks compliance based on my industry. I get peace of mind knowing my contracts are solid. For small businesses and freelancers, this is a game changer. I can focus on growth, not paperwork headaches. The proposal templates are customizable and look professional. I send proposals faster and close deals quicker now. The explainer videos are short, clear, and actually helpful. If you hate reading long legal docs, you'll love this. The all-in-one dashboard keeps everything organized for me. No more lost files or missed signatures ever again. I like that Clawdia is built for entrepreneurs like me. It's perfect for startups, freelancers, and growing teams. Honestly, this saves costs compared to traditional legal help. I'm impressed by the level of customization it offers. Security features give me confidence my data is protected. If you want to streamline legal work, this is it. Right now, there's an exclusive deal on AppSumo. Don't miss out. Grab Clawdia for your business today. Link is below. Check it out and thank me later.